welcome back to my channel. Before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will read the article by Godfrey Smith from investing.com. Ukraine spectacularly advanced on the battlefield, give a pip to risk appetite, especially in Europe. ECB official push for more interest rate hikes. Walt Disney in focus after Dunlop swings behind the board plans for ESPN and Oracle report after the close. The Department of Agriculture kicked off a big week for grains with it was the report here. What you need to know in financial market on Monday, September 12th. Ukrainian advance lifts European asset. The war in Ukraine entered a new phase with Ukraine's force recapturing over 3,000 square kilometers of territory occupied by Russia since the spring in a startlingly successful offensive around Kharkiv, the country's second-largest city. The news lifted European currencies across the board, encouraging perhaps excessive hopes for a quick end to the war and to associated disruption of global energy markets. European gas and power prices also fell to their lowest on the news, offering some relief after the EU energy minister failed to make much progress in agreeing to anti-crisis measures for the coming winter on Friday. ECB flags more tightening. The dollar correction continued, with the euro getting additional support from a string of reports over the weekend and on Monday from European Central Bank officials broadly sticking to the line that further rate increases will be needed to bring inflation down. German Central Bank head Joachim Nagel said further clear steps, akin to last week's 75 basis point hike, will be needed even at the risk of triggering a modest recession. The Financial Times also reported at the weekend that the ECB will discuss ways to reduce the 5 trillion euro portfolio of bonds it has accumulated through its various quantitative easing program at its upcoming meeting. Stocks set to open higher, lob swings behind Disney board. U.S. stock markets are set to open in an upbeat mood after the news from Eastern Europe over the weekend, with the closure of Chinese market for the coming week also removing what has been a regular source of concern in recent weeks. Stocks likely to be in focus later include Walt Disney, after activist investor Dunlop backed off from his previous effort to force the entertainment giant to spin off sport channel ESPN. Loeb's Third Point had earlier this year first built, then sold a stake in the company. Oracle report after the closing bell, but the data calendar is bare. There's more action in the bond market, with the sale of 3 and 10 years not due later. The Department of Agriculture released its monthly Wednesday report into a market currently based by extremely wide forecasting ranges for grains and oilseed production, notably for corn due to the impact of extreme weather. ADM analyst Mark Oswald highlighted that the Wednesday report will incorporate actual data from crop tours rather than just model-based estimates. Corresponding report from China and France monthly agricultural production report are also due this week. Grains market also have to take account of the heightened risk of erratic Russian policy as the Kremlin comes under more domestic political threats about abrogating the UN deal on grain. Last week, as the military situation deteriorated, crude oil prices rose as market participants priced in the risk that defeat in Ukraine could lead to a serious destabilization of Russian policy. After pulling its troops out of part of eastern Ukraine on Friday and Saturday, Russia launched long-range missile strikes against water supply and power stations in Ukraine in violation of the Geneva Convention, while propagandists on state television argued the need for an escalation of the conflict. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.